Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be making some chicken strips, also known as chicken fingers. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Also guys, please remember to subscribe because I want to reach 1,000 subscribers, so I can't reach it without you. So I'm asking you please to help me to reach there. Also share with your friends and tell them about tomorrow's recipes. Let's get started. In my bowl I have my chicken fingers. To get them I used boneless chickens, the chicken breasts. You can also use boneless chicken thighs. So you're going to get your chicken breasts, you're going to pound the meat using a rolling pin, or you can use a meat mallet to tenderize and flatten the meat. Then you're going to cut them into strips. You can either do them the size that I did mine in, or if you want to do them smaller. To season the meat, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. You can use more salt depending on your taste. Half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of red pepper. Then I grated garlic and ginger. So I added half a teaspoon of the ginger and garlic. Now I'm adding quarter cup of buttermilk. Afterwards I'm going to add 1 beaten egg. Then I'm going to stir to combine them together. Afterwards I'm going to cover the meat with plastic. Then I'm going to place it in the refrigerator for half an hour. At least half an hour, so you can marinate it longer. You can season yours with whichever seasoning you want to use, but these are the ones that I will be using. For the breading, I'll be adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 cup equals to 8 ounces. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of red pepper, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, quarter teaspoon of salt, you can add more salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm going to stir to combine all the dry ingredients together. Now I am going to use a fork to place each piece of the strip into the flour mixture. So guys, before you add the chicken into the flour mixture, ensure that you drain it properly. After you add the chicken, you're going to you can use a fork, or if you want to use a clean hands to coat each piece of the chicken. Afterwards you're going to shake the excess flour off, and then you're going to place it on a plate. finished coating the chicken. So guys, this is how we want them to look. Have a lot of flakes on them. That's why I seasoned it with the egg and the milk. I'm going to place a few pieces of the chicken strip into the pot and fry them on a medium flame for about 5 minutes or until they are golden brown and crispy on each side. Please remember to like this video guys, as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also remember to tap the subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed, and help me to reach 1,000 subscribers guys. Please remember to share with your friends, tell them about tomorrow's recipes as I said earlier in the video, and tell them to come over and subscribe and be a part of this family, because guys, I always bring good videos. So you know, I'm putting in the work, so I need your help guys to help me to grow. My chicken is all done, and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. They look so amazing guys, they smell great. So I hope you guys will thumbs up this video. Remember to share and remember to comment guys, because I love when you do so. Thanks for watching, and please do enjoy the rest of your day or the rest of your night, and go and big up on yourself guys. Stay tuned for more videos.